Alright, first thing to do to edit your website, you gotta go to your website and then add a /user to the end of the address. And I will send you a link for that too. Your username is admin, password. I'll send you your username and password too in the email instead of putting them in this video. Once you're logged in, you'll notice it looks identical, nothing really changes. But if you go to your pages now, like if you go to your service page, you now have this edit tab here at the top. And so to make a change, just click on edit there. And then you have this little editing window. And this window works basically the same way Microsoft Word works. So you can just click in here and make changes to the text or whatever you need to change. Over here on the side, you have your basic editing controls, so you can change your font size, make things bold or italics or centered, things like that. You can also add an image. Let's say if we want to add an image to this page, scroll down here to the bottom. This is the image add button. Do that. Browse server. Now this shows you all of the images that are currently already loaded on the server. If you want to upload a new one, hit this upload button. And I'll just upload a sample photo here. And just hit upload. And you'll see once it's uploaded, it shows you in this preview window. Now that's pretty big. It's showing it to you at the same size that it will show up on the website, so that's pretty big. You can go in here and there's a resize option in here, and you can just type in one of the dimensions, so like 250 for a dimension, and then click in the other box and it'll fill it in automatically, and then hit resize. I always leave create a new image checked for this. Hit resize, and then it makes a new version, so now you get this smaller version. You can also add horizontal space and vertical space. That's just blank white space around the image so that the text doesn't run into it. And then you can move it from the left side of the page or the right side of the page, either one. And that determines how the text will wrap around it. So if you do the left side, then the text goes on the right side. And if you do the right side, the text will flow past it on the left side. And if you do not set, then it'll break the text. There'll be text above it and below it, but not beside it. So, and then you just hit OK, and it puts the image right into your page. And that's about it for editing a page. It's pretty simple. One more thing, gotta make sure I cover this. Once you're done with your edits, you gotta come down to the bottom and hit the save button. It's really easy to make all these edits and then just close the page or close the browser or click this little X. And if you don't hit save first, you'll lose those changes, and there isn't any kind of recovery option. So you gotta make sure that you scroll to the bottom and hit save when you're done. And that's about it for editing a regular page.